Killing more people than homicides and car accidents. The opioid crisis is now a national public health emergency. President Trump made that declaration just this afternoon.
What does it mean, though? In Palm Beach County, one person is dying from an opioid overdose every 12 hours. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada live in Delray Beach tonight with why local leaders are not optimistic about seeing any help at the federal level. Michelle.
Jay, Shannon, local leaders here in Delray Beach and Palm Beach County are pleased that the public health emergency will put a national spotlight on the opioid crisis. But as far as dollars and resources go, they're still waiting for the help. The same type of declaration made by Governor Scott was issued in May. It's going to be 6 months since Governor Rick Scott issued a statewide public health emergency to fight the opioid epidemic, and local firefighters, police, and city and county leaders are still waiting for some relief.
Overdose, intoxication.
We have 485 people dead in Palm Beach County through the middle of September. This epidemic is not getting better, it's getting worse.
Palm Beach County Commissioner Melissa McKinley said the county has not seen a plan to combat the crisis or additional dollars coming from the state. The county has put $3 million aside to open an addiction receiving facility, among making other hires at the medical examiner's office. McKinley doesn't see the national public health emergency having any impact on local governments.
Unless the state and the federal government step in to help us, I just don't see it getting better.
On average, McKinley says fire departments are paying $40 per dose of Narcan. In Delray Beach, the mayor told me firefighters responded to 1,600 overdose calls last year, each call costing taxpayers about $2,500.
In theory, these political announcements are important as a first step, but we have yet to see any tangible results from the governor's declaration.
The president's move will not add any new funds. It will shift some federal money to help fight the crisis. The governor's public health of emergency will expire next week. It only lasts 60 days unless he extends it. Now, local leaders tell me they would have liked to have seen the president use the Emergency Assistance Act, which would have freed up some FEMA money they could have used. Coming up at 6, how Palm Beach County is struggling to help those addicted without insurance and what they would hope those state or federal dollars would go to. Reporting live in Delray Beach, Michelle Casada,